On the right of every Mac dock, there's a trash. Right now I have the recycling bin, but it's not the trash. What you want to do is, instead of directly changing the icon, you want to right click somewhere on your dock and then click Add Separator. Then drag the recycling bin, or drag the separator onto the other side of the recycling bin. Once you get it onto the other side of the separator, now you can change it so that it looks like the trash. What you want to do is you want to right click on the recycling bin, then click Dock Icon Preferences. This will bring up a different window. In the title, instead of typing in the name of the application, you want to type in trash. Then it'll give you spots for two images. You want to hit change the empty image, change empty image. Then on your down here it says browse for an image. Select your desktop and then scroll down to the empty image of the trash. Hit open. Now change full image. Same thing, browse for an image, desktop, scroll down to the full version of the trash. Then hit OK. Now it says trash and it's full because it has something in it. But as soon as I empty out the trash, now it's empty. Two more quick things. The first thing, for those of you who want Expose, or the equivalent of Expose in your on your Windows machine, what you want to do is you want to hit drag this into the dock wherever you want the Expose. Then click Settings, edit this shortcut. Then what you want to do is you can delete the icon part in the title, and I'm going to make it have a capital E. Then what you want to do in Run is, no, sorry. Yeah, under Link. No, that wasn't it. Okay, sorry, never mind. Okay, for some of you that want the Expose feature, or the Vista equivalent of Expose, what you want to do is you want to go down into the dock and the separator, then right click, hit Settings, Add Docklets, Show Desktop. It'll bring up a little thing like this. Just drag it onto the other side wherever you want the Expose. Now right click and click Edit this icon. Now in the title, then you can change it so that it says Expose. And then you want to change the command to trigger Vista's Flip 3D. Change the icon to the one on the desktop by changing this. Browse for an icon, desktop, scroll down until you see the Expose icon. Open, make sure it's selected, then click OK, and then just hit OK. Now, whenever you hit the Expose icon, it goes into Vista's Flip 3D that you can scroll through. The only thing that might prevent somebody from actually believing that this is a Mac machine is the desktop, is the login background. That's what Login Studio is here for. What you want to do is after you open Login Studio, you'll see something like this. Click Create, then type in a name for that login. I'm going to call it Mac OS X. Then browse for the picture. I saved it to my desktop. The default desktop is fine. I'm going to hit open, and then I'm going to hit save. Then click apply. Now your desktop login screen will look something like this. which people might believe is an actual Mac computer. Well, I think that's everything. There you go. That's how to make your Vista machine look like Mac OS X. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day. Just before I finish up, there's a couple of points that I might want to mention. If you're using Windows Media Player for your music, people might not believe that it's a Mac computer since Windows Media Player is not for Mac. I would recommend that you use iTunes. Also, I would not recommend that you use an internet or a browser such as Internet Explorer that is not for Mac. I would use something such as Safari, Firefox, or Opera, or even Google Chrome, that are for both platforms, so that people might believe that it's for Mac. All the links are on my website.